This is a bee's nest on my kitchen window, and from inside you can actually watch everything that's happening. And some of those white things, those little eggs there, are starting to move around, getting ready to pop. It looks like it's going to happen at any time. I don't know if I can zoom in while this is... I never used video on this camera before, so I need to find out. Those guys are active. Maybe they're having a party for the 4th. Invited some of the neighbors over. Yeah, that's it. Look at that. That's freaking awesome. Yeah, very awesome. Very cool. Alright, that's enough of that.